Rook check. I haven't played bullet against a good opponent in a while.
This guy plays really creatively, as far as I can remember.
Are you saying that I'm not a creative guy?
No, that's not what I'm saying at all, Ron. I'm just giving you like good old warning.
Oh, okay. I see what it is.
The guy can never make sense of. Okay, I'm shitty at chess, but I can never make sense of his moves. So.
As long as you can make sense of my moves, buddy pal.
Your moves are making a fuckload of sense right now.
Oh shit, my queen's actually trapped.
We're seriously giving him the business.
Fuck off. Yes. Is it Jürgen Nagot's strong song or something like that?
What?
Is this guy Jürgen Nagot's strong song or Jürgen?
I have no idea. All I know is that like.
There's a couple really good players from
Vietnam.
Yeah, from Nam.
I don't know. I just know that he plays very like he's a tricky guy.
Yeah, he's a very tricky guy. Really tricking.
Okay, I guess he's not being so tricky at the moment, but. Okay, I think it's just that you're just really just that good and you're just fucking up.
Oh, the bishop was hanging? Oh, sorry.
Yeah,
Oh, I blundered the pawn this time. Fuck. You know, I'm a lot of pawns down, but it's could be worse, I think.
it always could be worse.
What's wrong with this guy, like, checking me and then resigning? Can you stop doing that? It's not polite.
It is cutting in now. Alright, after this.
The mic?
Yeah, something's wrong. I don't know what's wrong.
guy keeps me. Oh, sorry.
Just a
sorry.
second. It's cool. Don't worry about it. I really don't understand. Ah, that's why.
Okay.
Yep, we should be good now. The noise gate doesn't exist anymore. Can you hear everything? Can you guys like hear everything okay?
Yeah,
does it
that's
sound like good or like is it too low?
Fucking asshole. No, okay, but of course the one game that something's wrong with the mic, it's all about time. Fuck's sakes. Where's Lafong? Bring Lafong. This guy's really weak. Hong Thong 2?
Huang? Maybe I'm mispronouncing.
Maybe. Yeah, maybe we're mispronouncing his name, eh? Could be.
2414 though.
Oh shit, is he like coming with Queen H5 shit or something? Completely lost. Shit. Godverdomme, guys. Are you kidding me? What are you doing, Guillermo? Oh, fuck's sakes. Okay, calm. I gotta calm down here. Like, I'm really spanking the guy, and I'm trying to do it until Lafong calms. But Lafong...
He just doesn't want to come.
He just literally, like, 2 hours late now or something.
Yeah.
It's really pissing me off. Didn't say a word.
Well, he said a word at, like, 9:45.
Yeah, like 2 hours, when he was already an hour and a half late or something. It's disgusting. Oh, fuck off with your bullshit. Come here. Hey, shut up, Leth. What?
Nothing.
Leth, get back to business, buddy. Which game was he talking about?
I have no fucking idea.
Who is this rude streamer? Guys, I'm angry. Like, I'm a very polite, nice guy, but when Lafong tells me he's gonna show up at 8:30 and he's not there 2 hours later, I get a little annoyed. I come from a country where if you say a certain time, you arrive at a certain time, you really are there at that
I
time.
think it's just Canadians.
No, I don't think it's Canadians. It's Lafong just being, like, annoying. Like, it's not cool. Lafong's like super eager to stream, bro.
I think he's eager to get his vacuum back.
That too. That too.
Shit. Oh, God damn it.
MM, keep it together, buddy. Keep her together. Keep your hands steady. Steady hands, palster. Oh, fuck you. I'm blundering rook takes. Sorry for all the microaggressions and less microaggressions today, people.
Drop the beer. This is the first place in the fucking mom tomorrow. No fucking.
You dropped the brewski?
Yeah.
It's okay, buddy. Happened to the best of us, eh? Okay, guys. Zen. Mantra. Like, I'm okay. I'm relaxed. I'm not gonna be angry. I cannot change what's not in my hands. I'm sorry if I offended anyone, if I'm being too rude. I'm a changed man right now. What's going on, Kilimanjaro? What's going on, buddy pal?
Lafong is here. I'm gonna come down in the middle.
Okay, yeah, I don't know. I'm down a queen, so I couldn't see any way forward. Are people talking about Deutsche Bahn? Why are you talking about Deutsche Bahn? What does that have anything to do with... Oh, maybe Lafong travels with Deutsche Bahn? That makes sense. Yeah, in the Netherlands, our trains are always late as well. But Lafong's by car, so he doesn't have that excuse. Lafong's just late. Lafong is just late. Let's move this here. Thanks for the piece, Palster. Oh, 98. Okay, good one. Good one, buddy. Almost had you there. Oh, godverdomme. Mouse slip. Oh, crap. Dude, I had the worst mouse slip ever. It's gonna be 3 or something. Oh, that's so bad. Bad. King, yeah, king comes in.
What's up, guys?
What's going on, left? Hey Lafong, just in time, buddy pal. Just in time for the party, eh?
Hey guys.
Oh, he flat. Okay, that's really bad. That's really bad.
It's actually really impressive, your score against him.
Is
But
this
I
someone?
think it could be even better, right?
Yeah.
Immediately after you played that, I thought about b3 hanging.
Yeah, I also see b3 hanging, buddy. Let's try to take her down, eh? It's not really hanging anymore, though. Oh, 94. Ugh. Some pseudo threats, whatever here.
Wow.
Non-existent stuff. Gotta pull the queen back. Do some damage.
You're always up with queen against this.
What's up, buddy? I'm sorry, Robin.
Well, what do you mean you're sorry?
I was caught with the tape.
Dude, it's almost a new day. Do you realize that?
I
It's
was
literally
talking to-
almost. We said we'd meet up yesterday,
Robin,
and you.
Can you listen? Can you listen? Kurtz has some issues and he needed the measurement tape, and I couldn't find it.
Lafong.
I did it for Kurtz.
We were supposed to meet up
Kurtz,
yesterday.
This is your measurement tape. I'm really sorry, but I had to do what I had to do. When a guy asks you for a tape, you have to take time and find it for him. Okay?
Dude, Lafong, there's no excuses. We were supposed to meet up yesterday.
Kurtz has some issues. He needs a tape. What do you want me to do? Tell him, Kurtz, I'm not gonna bring you a tape.
I said I would buy one.
Yeah, but it looked very urgent. Like you needed it tonight, right?
No, I was planning on going to Saint Laurent and measuring the new apartment tonight. If you got here at 8:30, I was going to, go to the apartment. But
Curtis, I care so much about you that you can have my tape for an extra day.
oh, an extra day. I think I'm just gonna fucking buy one.
Oh, because you're gonna use it a lot, right?
Yeah, I realize that, but I think it's kind of bullshit. You trying to blame all the being late on me.
I seriously couldn't find the tape and
And you could have told me, hey, I can't find the tape. But I would have told you,
You would have
Lafong,
cried. I care for you.
You know what, Lafong? It's all right. I think it's more important that you show up and stream.
Oh yes, this guy, Arlando. Arlando.
Bailando.
No. Irelandu.
Bailando.
This guy,
Fuck, okay.
I ditched him for Naroditsky the other night, so I owe him a game. That's true. I recognize it. Well, cheers to whoever.
Yeah, cheers to meeting up yesterday, eh, Lafong?
Cheers to
Leafy, why are you so
Lafong,
triggered tonight?
I'm a Dutch person. You don't understand.
Dutch people are on time.
No, yes, we're always on time.
So,
Yes.
So chessbrahs are always late. How do you deal with them then?
I don't meet up with them.
I'm the most in time of all the guys here.
I
You
see
can
really
ask
coming
Kurtz.
up
Every
here.
time we have a...
I'm pretty on time myself.
No, I'm not saying you're not. I'm saying that like my reputation towards like the cave, even you, when I tell you I'm gonna be there at some point, at some time I'm here, right?
I don't really remember, but
Well, you apparently you had a good reputation, so you lost it.
With a sample of one time?
A sample.
Yeah.
You're trying to bring out some academic language now to salvage your situation. It's not gonna work.
Is this something you don't understand?
No, it's you can bring out some fancy language. I like it, but it's not gonna change what you've done.
I've done it once.
Lafong, I need to concentrate. You're pissing up. Lafong. Okay, you're forgiven. Let me beat this guy one last time, and then you're gonna put in a.
Well, last time I haven't seen you beat him once yet.
Have you looked at the score? Ever since you arrived, it's been going down.
Bully stream. Didn't know there was a fight night tonight.
Oh, who's fighting?
You and Robin.
Oh, it's not a fight night.
Fuck's sakes, Lafong. I'm blundering everything
I
suddenly.
didn't say anything.
Godverdomme. Okay, this guy has no technique. Lafong, there's a couple of requests for you.
Yeah, go ahead.
I don't know, I'm not reading the chat, I'm playing. Couple specific,
Blame Lafong?
blame Lafong
That's
for...
a request? Robin, I feel that you're trying to get me to take your frustration out on someone, and you want me to take the blame for it. It's
Blame for being late?
No, like you said, read it out loud. So I feel that like you share my opinion about some people. but
No,
you just
no.
want me to be the one.
No, that's not at all the case.
No?
No. I'm just trying to have a bit of entertainment while I lose another unnecessary game to this guy.
Harishiva, that Naka massage place in Bali was amazing. It wasn't actually like a massage, it was more like a treatment or something.
Oh yeah? Was it like a treatment?
Yeah, it was more of a treatment than a massage. You know, a massage is like, it feels good. A
Yeah.
treatment hurts. It feels good afterward only.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, that kind of place.
Sometimes it hurts, doesn't it, buddy? Especially when turns out that might be a boy, eh?
But you heard the story, right? There's a place in Indonesia called
Yeah.
Nakamura Massage. No happy ending. No happy ending. I'm not a fan of happy endings, especially when you have to pay for it.
Fuck's sake. Okay. You're not a fan of paid happy endings?
No.
Okay.
What about you? Would you pay for a happy ending?
I try not to, no.
There's absolutely zero non-alcoholic drinks left in the fridge.
Oh, that's really
you're gonna
bad.
pay for a happy ending. Why not just pay for like
What?
nothing more?
No, go ahead, Kurt. Can you share your experience?
No, I can't. Not anymore.
You like my position, Lafon?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I would like to see a knight on d3.
I'm trying to get there.
Wow.
Wow.
It's psychological.
Very
Holy
psychological.
shit.
Like you force him to refuse a draw.
What?
Wow, this is sexy.
You like it, Lafong?
Yes.
Hmm.
It's so lost, yeah.
Oh,
What is this stuff?
that's his opening?
Yeah,
It's like a retarded Dutch, right?
something like that. I don't know. I don't know, Lafong. Like I've never seen it. I don't know what to do against it. I'm not a D4 player. But I kind of enjoy just giving all the pieces away and then trying to mate. So it's fine. Compensation.
Are you still in tilt or can I talk to you now?
You can talk to me.
So, what did you think about the Caruana game today? Did you think Aronian has a chance to draw?
I think it's a fantastic result for chess.
Caruana win?
Caruana won, of course.
I think it's a fantastic
Why?
result
Of
for
course.
chess, for humanity, for... It's a little bit like that time Neil Armstrong came to the moon. That's
Are
kind
you
of...
saying Caruana went to the moon?
No, I mean, I wouldn't classify beating Lev as going to the moon, but it felt a degree of like justice, happiness, and achievement by humanity.
Are you saying that
unmatched-
because Aronian blundered in 9, he deserved to lose that game?
I would-
Hey,
I
you
would-
fuck up. Don't you deserve to lose?
Yeah, I think that if you play bad chess,
Well, if I said this about myself, I would lose every game.
he's really
So
coming.
Case in point, right?
So I can't share this opinion, right?
Holy shit, there's so many pawns.
There's a lot of pawns,
But
but
he's up on time.
I'm
So be careful.
slowly picking them up until I'm not. Okay, last one, the phone, last one.
Last one?
Yeah. Last one, and then the magnets back at it.
Yeah.
Maybe,
The magnet and left wrist chess.
yep.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That's a combo tonight?
Yeah.
You're the wingman.
By the way, I don't know if anyone else has this feeling, but I get the feeling that every single match I play, I really beat people up in the beginning, and somewhere in the middle, it's like I go on like a 10.
So maybe you can't last till very long. Maybe you're just good at the beginning, right? Is it possible?
Or maybe he's just getting distracted.
Lafong,
Yeah.
you were late tonight.
Maybe you're a sprinter.
Lafong, it's you who's late tonight.
How are those train called? Sprinter and the intercity one. How's it called?
Intercity.
Intercity and sprinter, right?
Yeah.
So you're a sprinter.
You're a sprinter too. Really complacent chess that I'm playing. It's horrible. Okay, Lafong, it's your turn, buddy. I'm really tilted right now. I'm okay. I'm out of here. I'm just out of here. This was ridiculous.